Two parrots. 1 minute story. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived two parrots, Mitu and Chiku. One day, a hunter caught them and sold them to different masters. Mitu was taken to a kind sage, where he learned sweet and wise words. Chiku, however, was taken to a rude man, where he heard harsh and angry words every day. One day, a traveler passed by Chiku's house and was shocked to hear the parrot shout, "Go away, you fool!" Startled, he walked ahead and reached Mitu's place. There Mitu greeted him kindly, saying, "Welcome, dear friend. May you have a blessed day." The traveler was amazed. He realized that both parrots were the same but had learned from their surroundings. Moral: our behavior reflects the company we keep. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.